Let's do an oil change. This is a Ford Fiesta with a 1.5-liter diesel engine. It has driven a little over 146,000 kilometers. That's over a third of the distance from the Earth to the Moon. It has gone through 7 oil changes this far. To get to the oil filter, you need to remove the air filter box. Take the filter cap out and pull the filter out of it. Now replace the filter and the seal. Make sure to put some oil on the seal. This is necessary to prevent the seal from folding in on itself when tightening the cap. Torque the cap to 25 Newton meters. After cleaning the oil mess, put the air filter box back. I'm also changing the air filter on this one, even though it looks like it didn't need one. Make sure to use the right oil for your engine. Quick service light reset. Test drive and check the oil level. All good. Thanks for watching.